Yes, page number 41 of your page. Here the table 1 is given. In this table number 1, you are going to add one more column at the end. That column will be range of temperature. Write down over there that you have to calculate the range of temperature, and after that you are going to add one more column, and there you have to calculate average rainfall. Average rainfall you will be calculating. For this I am giving you the time because this you have to calculate. First is range of temperature and the second that is average rainfall. Now first of all, how to calculate the range of temperature? Maximum temperature minus minimum temperature. Let's do it for Bengaluru very first. Find out the maximum temperature which is given in degrees Celsius, that means the upper line. 27.1 degrees Celsius maximum. Find out the minimum for Bengaluru. 0, no. That is 20.2. 20.2. So what is the range? Find the difference. 27.1 minus 20.2. Approximate how much will be the answer? 7.9 or somewhere above 6, right? So difference between the maximum and minimum, is it too high? No, it is hardly by 6 degrees Celsius. So how will you justify the climate of Bengaluru, whether it is extreme or it is equable? It is equable, right? So that finding also you will have to judge. Okay, 6.8 it is the answer. Then how to calculate the average? Average, how to calculate the average rainfall? You will first add all the readings. That means for Bengaluru you are going to add 0.7, 0.9, 1.1, 4.5, 10.7, 7.1, 11.1, 13.7, 16.4, 15.3, 6.1 and 1.3. In which season or in which months Bengaluru is getting more rainfall? During which months? Months. Actually, if you will see, it starts from July, August, September, October, and this is our rainy season also, right? Okay, so then after calculating the complete annual rainfall, it is already given 88.9, right? You can divide it. Of course, they have given annual rainfall already, so you don't have to calculate, I suppose, the average. But we will do that actually. You will divide it by 12, okay, and you will get your answer. See, most important is to calculate the range. Everyone will calculate the range of temperature. Okay? Range of temperature for all these 10 stations. And you are also going to tell whether the place is equable climate region or extreme climate. Okay? One example we will do for extreme. Let's take Jodhpur. Jodhpur, what is the maximum temperature? Find out. 33.9 and minimum 14.9. Difference is obviously more. So Jodhpur we declare as having the which type of climate? Extreme climate. Okay? Okay. Now in the same table, children, you have first 2 columns. First column, of course, the names. What is the second column? Latitude. The third is altitude. Okay, let's come over this question. Question number 2 in the for doing it yourself, page number 40. Okay, here they are asking you to first of all arrange the stations. How? According to their distance from the equator. Which column will be helpful for you? Latitude, right? Latitude. So how will you give the number? Which is near to the equator will be number 1. Which is that? Thiruvananthapuram. Yes, at which latitude? 8 degree 29 minutes north. That will be number 1. Likewise, you have to find out number 2. Which is that? Chennai followed by Mumbai. Okay. This way you are going to arrange them. Second question. Arrange their altitude above mean sea level. Okay. Altitude. It means next column will be helpful. Which is very close to the sea level? Chennai, Kolkata. Okay, it is located at 6 meters only. Then followed by Chennai. Then Mumbai. Likewise, you will be arranging them altitude wise also, right? These are the small activities which you have to do. This is your one of the activity also. Okay. Then question number 3, name the 2 rainiest stations where the rainfall is very high. It means which column you will see? Last, annual rainfall column. Okay? Wherever the rainfall is very high will be the rainiest. Which are they? Shillong and followed by Mumbai, right? It is Shillong and Mumbai. Then driest, 2 driest region. Leh is one and another, followed by that. Yes, Jodhpur, right? Likewise, these are simple questions, children, which you have to go ahead with. Then 2 stations with most equable climate. Now, equable, how will you find out? When you get the range. So, first of all, you have to calculate the range for that. Same extreme. Then, these all exercises, please you do. That is Arabian Sea branch. From which places are getting from Arabian Sea branch? Bay of Bengal branch, right? These questions, you please do this. Now, I will move to the question number 1, graph. Could you see here? It is the graph of Delhi they have given on page number 40. It's a twin graph. It is showing 2 readings. Line graph is used for showing temperature, correct? It is showing temperature. And bar graph is used for rainfall. Very good. Just by seeing the graph, I can easily tell that during April and May, Delhi's temperatures are very high. And during July, August, it is getting it is getting good rainfall. And if I study this, temperature variations are really high, if you will see. Right, it is going pointed very high and then it is straight way coming down also. So the Delhi, which type of climate I will claim? Extreme. Okay. Now children, out of these 10 stations which are given in the table, you have to make such kind of graphs of at least 5 stations. Okay, 5 stations graph. Okay, and that is your one of the activity also, but you can keep ready your graphs on the graph paper. So these are all things for doing it yourself, and here we end up with our climate chapter.